Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to discuss a new topic, that is noun case.
ओके डन बंद कर दो अब
A noun may be used as a subject or object of a verb or to show the possession. So we can also say that the noun is in the nominative, objective, or possessive case respectively. First of all, we will discuss nominative case. The nominative case is the case used for a noun or pronoun which is the subject of a verb. Like Rohan eats mangoes. The noun Rohan is the subject of the verb. Here, eats. Rohan is in the nominative case. He eats mangoes. The pronoun he is the subject of the verb eats, and he is in the nominative case. They eat mangoes. The pronoun they is the subject of the verb eats, and they is in the nominative case. I have given example of noun also and pronoun also. Next, coming to the objective case. The objective case is used for nouns and pronouns that function as objects. For example, Janvi paints a pot. The noun, a pot is the object of the verb paints. A pot is in the objective case. The man hits the door. The noun, the door is in the object of the verb hits. The door is in the objective case. Here you will understand it in a better way. The definition of objective case is the case used for nouns and pronouns that function as objects. First of all, direct object. They like her. It is an example of direct object. Indirect object. I sent them a message. It is indirect object. And the third one is object of a preposition. It is from me. Object of a preposition. Then we are now going to discuss types of object. Direct object. The direct object is the thing being acted on by the verb. A direct object answers the question what or who. For example, I wrote a letter. A letter is the direct object of the verb wrote. Means who wrote the letter? Then the answer will be I. Indirect object. The indirect object of a sentence is the recipient of the direct object. An indirect object answers the question to whom, for whom. Taking an example, I wrote him a letter. Him is the indirect object of the verb wrote. Therefore, the noun naming the person is said to be indirect object. The noun that names the thing is said to be indirect object. Another example, my brother bought me a bike. Here, direct object is a bike and indirect object is me. Thanks, you practice it well, and next time we will discuss another topic.